Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Talk Tuesday. This is David Dodi-Mirier and we at Kia Cambridge. And let's go see what's their favorite tool. Guys, welcome to Tool Talk Tuesday. I'm here at Kia with my good friend Blair. Blair, welcome to our show. So Goldcat, you said you love our pistol grip screwdriver.
I do.
Yeah, absolutely. What'd you like about it?
Pistol whipper?
Yep, the pistol whipper.
No, this thing's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I like the fact that it's smaller than most of them. Small head on it. Usually the other ones are long, you know, even smaller. Get in there, break it loose, got a lot of leverage, a lot of momentum, and then switch it back and finish off.
Finish off, and it has the ratcheting feature on it. So,
it does, and then if you don't have the right bit, I like the holder here.
Absolutely.
Hold all your bits in there.
Good, and it can hold up to 6 bits, yep. That's awesome, right?
Quick, easy, hide it, ready to go.
Perfect. And you forgot something. It's got a light on it, so.
Oh yes,
yeah,
forgot about the light.
Yeah, just working under the dash.
Definitely come in handy.
Okay. So Goldcat, you mentioned, hey, there's somewhere we can use the pistol grip screwdriver. Show it to me.
So they're usually tight, so I go under.
Oh, perfect, yeah. Oh, what a tool, man. That is convenient.
Oh, yeah.
It's small.
Easy. Pistol grip to help me break it loose. Switch back over and simply take it out.
Oh, wow, that's easy. That is cool.
Oh yeah.
That's a cool tool. Okay, good. All right,
good. Right here.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. I'm going to do an oil change. Come on through, man. What a beautiful tool. Ah.
Crack that loose.
Crack it loose, baby. Nice.
No worries, I won't get you too dirty.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, good one.
So, there you go.
Perfect. You're my man.
And then she drains until she starts dripping.
Okay. All right. Hey, you know what, Goldcat?
That.
After this, it's your responsibility. Hey guys, thank you so much. We're right here at Kia Cambridge with the guys here, and we had lots of fun with the Wurth tools. What do you think, guys?
Yeah. Awesome. Steve is the best.
Yeah.
I'm taking this.
Okay. Just drop it. Oh, man.
Except it's not a joke.
Thank you, Goldcat. This way you get your upper arms, don't you?